Hello mga ka-Barbie Tops!
Hey, Barbie Tops!
We are now here in Bangi Wind Farm in Bangi, Ilocos Norte.
Yeah, the first and the second phase of Bangi, or of the Ilocos Norte Windmill Project.
Correct. And partner, what can you say about the weather here?
Oh, it's very cold. We're waiting for snow.
For snow, yeah. And then of course we have here our handsome medic.
Back! Handsome!
Oh yeah, what you call this? Laging malas.
So we are here in Bangi and we are enjoying the weather. So it's a bit humid here, right?
Yeah, it's ooh la la, very hot.
So of course we are wearing the Love the Philippines shirt, supporting the local tourism in the Philippines. Pinang Philippines. So please come and explore the province of Ilocos Norte.
You will make sure be in love with Ilocos Norte.
Kaya mo yan, friend?
Buffering lang.
Laban lang.
See you next vlog. Bye! Hi guys, so we are now here in Vigan and we are now walking in Calir Quezologo. And
Ako si Celine.
Ako si Celine. Sabi ni Osang, malapit lang daw yung ano yan, Casa Blanca. So naglalakad lang kami. 10 minutes kami naglalakad.
Alamin po natin kung tama
Kung
ang sinasabi ni Maria Rosandian. Dahil kung hindi, gigigil ako. Ang kwento po niyan, ang huli pong narinig ko kay Maria Rosandian ay sa MOP.
Kasama namin yung mga students from Batangas State. Say hi! Hi! Ay, alamig dito, di ba? Freezing cold. Guys, welcome to Vigan. Yes. Ay, may kabayo. Uy! Hi! Say hi! Hi! So we are walking here in Calir Quezologo. So Vigan was founded in here?
1572!
Founded by
me!
Ayan, so ang layo na po na nilakad namin. Wala pa akong nakikitang Casa Blanca, mga kapatid.
Nasa kaliwa mo.
Ito na ba?
Oo nga, yan na.
So tama po, si Sarah G. Ito na siya. At ito po ang kabatchmate ni Aga Mulak. Yeah!
Yan po, kabatchmate ni Aga Mulak, pero ang totoo niyan si Berting Labra.
Pero kamukha ni Max Alvarado.